Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Some fire rolls you just have to wait on. Let me show you what I'm talking about. These are oak catkins and a cotton ball. Roll it up good and tight. And it's going to take so long for that ember to work its way up from the center, from the core, that I just go sit and wait on it for a minute or two and come back and blow it into flames. Let me show you. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.